This is a video about Grapefruit, the 1964 collection of conceptual artworks by Yoko Ono. Ono was closely linked to the neo-Dada group Fluxus and the avant-garde performances of the composer John Cage. And some of the performances documented in Grapefruit are so conceptual that they can only exist in the mind of the performer. On the one hand, in concrete form, Grapefruit consists purely of written words, and as such was always immune to being treated as a speculative commodity by the art market. Now, even more so, as its text is freely available online. But even more radically, Grapefruit is a set of instructions for the reader to engage in a series of performance artworks. In other words, the reader becomes the artist. What follows is a reading of a selection from the 150 texts in the 1964 work Grapefruit. Painting to be stepped on. Leave a piece of canvas or finished painting on the floor or in the street. 1960, winter. Lighting piece. Light a match and watch till it goes out. 1955, autumn. Painting to exist only when it's copied or photographed. Let people copy or photograph your paintings. Destroy the originals. 1964, spring. Mirror piece. Instead of obtaining a mirror, obtain a person. Look into him. Use different people. Old, young, fat, small, etc. 1964, spring. Cloud piece. Imagine the clouds dripping. Dig a hole in your garden to put them in. 1963, spring.